Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2025 Audi Q5 S-Line Progressiv Quattro. It's got the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, the 7-speed S-tronic dual clutch, and is painted in Daytona gray pearl on black leather. All right, we'll start here at the rear of the vehicle. So we'll make our way here, stop it here, we'll come up here and open it up, and it's got the power liftgate, as you can see there. And then we'll just come in here. You can see it's got the cargo shade here. This does move forward and backwards, or it can be removed altogether. Down here we have the carpeted floor mats. You got some pockets here, as well as this side. Seats do all fold down flat, so you got 3 individual compartments there. Underneath here we have the spare tire. And this is a divider there. I think it's for pets. We'll go ahead and close that up there. And we'll zoom out. You can see the roof. So it's got the full panoramic roof, as well as the roof rails and the racks. It's got the silver there, and they are removable. We got the body colored spoiler here. Coming back here, we got the Q5 badge, the Audi's circles, and the Quattro badge there. So it's the all-wheel drive version. And we'll step back here. You can see the dual exhaust integrated in that diffuser. Let's make our way to the wheels next. All right, we got these great looking aluminum wheels. So it's a machine finish with the black spokes. It's kind of a 5 spinning spoke there, I like to call it. We have Pirelli tires all the way around. A 255/45 R20 in the rear here. We got 4-wheel disc brakes with the red calipers. I'll show you the front wheel here. So same size wheel in the front. And we'll make our way to the interior. So we've got the beautiful interior here. As you can see, the nice black panels here with the nice silver finish there. Here's our door release, power windows there. We've got the speaker down there. Here's our front seats from the rear. Great looking seats. And we got the console here with the HVAC. And we also have the controls there with media ports. We have the all-weather mats, front and back. Here's our seats here. Beautiful looking seats, very comfortable, high back with the headrests here. We'll open this up here. So we got an armrest here and push that. We got 2 cup holders here now. All right, show you that panoramic roof. It's got the power shade as well. So get that view there. Show you the front here. So we got blind spot monitoring as well. Here's our power locks, windows, and our speaker grill. Here's our dash on this side here. Nice touchscreen in the center. We got the Quattro there. Open up the glove box. We got the books. Here's our door jambs. They're nice and tidy and clean, as you can see. We got the S-Line there. Here's our Q5 all-weather floor mats. And we got your power seats. And check out this beautiful captain chair here. Again, very comfortable. And there's our view of that panoramic roof there. All right, we'll go ahead, close that door, and we'll make our way back here. We'll walk down the vehicle. There's our spoiler. Again, removable racks there. They look good on, but if you prefer, they come right off. We've got the body colored mirrors with the signals built in. It's got body colored mirror handles here. And here's our wheels from this angle here. Down here, we got the side blades and nice silver finish. Really complements it. We got the S-Line badge right on the fender there. And I'm gonna come over here. I'll get a good angle here, give it a wave. Look at this beautiful paint, just like a mirror finish. You can see that pearl in the paint. It's even got the body colored flares around the wheels there. LED headlights, this beautiful Audi grille. Here's our hood here. And then here is our engine. So again, it is the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 268 horsepower. It's paired to the 7-speed S-tronic dual clutch transmission. All right, we'll close that up. I'll just step back here. Check out the paint, just like a mirror finish. Looks like glass. So this one just came out of polishing by our team. So I got the 5-stage treatment. And you can see how well this vehicle looks. All right, we'll make our way to the interior again. So just gonna be a quick view here. Just as nice on this side. And over here we get, again, blind spot monitor in the mirrors. You got memory package for your driver, power locks, your power mirrors, windows. Here's your rear trunk. And I'll show you the dash over on this side. Here's our door jambs here, nice and tidy and clean. Pedals, Q5 mats, power seat with lumbar. And we'll scan the seat here. Beautiful. All right, we'll jump in. Okay, we got the vent over here. Here we got your headlight controls. Then we have on the column here, we have a manual, tilt, and telescopic wheel. We got your signals here, paddle shifters on both sides here. Here we got some arrow keys there, and then we have your cruise control here. It is adaptive cruise as well, so nice feature there. Heated steering wheel, you got your audio here and your windshield wiper settings. All right, we'll start it up. Just push button start. Nice and quiet. We got this beautiful black wheel here. It's got nice contours here. 3-spoke design, got the Audi rings in the center. And then we'll come into the gauge cluster here. Fully digital cluster, and mileage only 4,246 kilometers. Okay, up here we got the visors, then you got your map lights up here. Here's your rearview mirror. You got the compass built in there. See, we're pointed southwest right now. Here we got our nice big touchscreen. We'll just close that up here. So you got we'll just go through some of the features here. We've got navigation there, as you can see. I'll throw it in reverse. Opposite hand here. So we got reverse there, and we got, you can see the park sensors all the way around. Down here we got the vents, and then we have your heated seats up front. Dual zone climate control. Here's your drive select here. And a park, let me just check here. So you got your drive select here, all kinds of different angles here. Traction control, you got your hill assist there, 12-volt socket, media port there. You got a little pocket down there with a light, another pocket here. Here's your automatic shifter. We got the controls here for your touchscreen, electronic parking brake. You got a Wi-Fi charger here. This moves back. You got 2 cup holders here now. Here's your console lifted up, and we got some storage in here. All right, we'll go ahead, open up the door here. I'll get the lights on. And we'll give it a few revs while we're here. One more time. It's got a great sound in it. You can hear that turbo kick in there. We'll close that door here. Show you the LED headlights. I'll step back here. Look how fantastic this vehicle is. Spin it around. Show you the LED tail lights. Listen to the exhaust at idle. All right, so here we have it. This is a 2025 Audi Q5 S-Line Progressiv Quattro. It's got the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, the 7-speed S-tronic dual clutch. It was painted in this beautiful Daytona gray pearl on black leather. This is here and available at PanoramiCars.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.